Not yet. Is it a bug or is it a plane? Darren's got a new one. Won't even be able to see it in the air. Of course, a mosquito or a dragonfly flitting around.
I think that's about it.
Not yet. Is it a bug or is it a plane? Darren's got a new one. Won't even be able to see it in the air. Of course, a mosquito or a dragonfly flitting around.
I think that's about it.
First flight of the Christmas vacation. Of course, then again, Ron, we're always on Christmas vacation.
We got flaps, we got spoiler rounds, we got ailerons, we got elevator, we got rudder, we got power.
We got motor.
Here we go. Ooh, we also got a little bit of a warp in the wind here. A little bit of that. Got Darren going up?
Yeah, watch out, Ron.
Oh, he's got a little micro.
Yeah, I can't even find it.
Oh man, look at that thing, it's tiny.
Well, it won't hurt your airplane if he runs into you with it.
That's for sure. I'm gonna go get him. I owe him one.
It belongs to him and his daughter, so don't wreck it. You got that tile back in place anyway. I got that thing on full telemetry here to limit whatever telescope. No. Does that work off of 2.4 gig or is that IR?
2.4.
Where is he?
I don't know, he ain't too far from you. I think he just went under him. Well, I lost it now. Once you lose it, it's done. I still haven't found it yet. There it is. I can go up high enough.
Oh, that bug I just hit.
Yeah, bug on the windshield, Ron.
Don't like flaps.
Stop it when it hits the ground.
That thing is unreal. Does it flip and all that stuff too?
Now with this controller, people are, I don't remember what the name of the controller that they're using, but they can actually get it and flip with it.
Well,
So I mean, it's pretty stable.
I'm only about 10 feet away from it. It looks like it's 100 miles away.
Top down the right stick. Doesn't take much.
Does it have a accidental push on stick full race where you slow it down?
noisy little thing, isn't it?
It is.
High pitch.
Man, that's unreal.
under one.
Yeah, man, so did I.
Yeah, mine's only 9 months. So I'll get at least 9 months of retirement without her.
Well, there. I got it.
Oops, look out, did I hurt you?
Oh. Yeah. Good thing I got my insulated underwear.
That got hurt.
I got my long underwear on that way. And it didn't hurt so much. Where is that thing?
Yeah, no kidding. Where is it? There it is. Like a mosquito.
Watch out for Leon. He's as crazy about the combat as I am.
Oh, this thing weird.
We haven't done that yet, huh?
I'm a bully. That's because I got picked on when I was in school. I'm a quadcopter bully.
Okay, my glass.
That one? No, I sold that last year. To, Everett.
You're gonna read what's in the D-bar?
I think,
So what I'm saying is you can have one, so you can have the Pro.
Okay,
you can
Rick,
have
you're
the
being recorded, so do some really
Express.
wild and crazy
And
stuff.
if you have 5 different models that have the Express.
Fly with
you can
reckless
use
abandon.
one. You don't have to have 5 different ones.
He is. He's playing with you.
Oh, talk about reckless abandon. Wow.
Reckless and Abandon are both out there at the same time.
I mean, it's not that big of a deal.
Whoa. I'm gonna stay away from
And he did a barrel roll too.
Did a barrel roll?
Yeah.
Oh, he's over in my area. There he goes.
It recognizes it and you can change it.
Yeah.
There. No, you did it, Ron. You chased him off.
Enough of this reckless abandon.
No, it is Pro.
Huh?
It is Pro.
Got the Pro.
High speed pass.
It's already got it.
Bigger ones,
Yeah.
cornflakes.
What, were they popping something?
Cornflakes was somebody's porridge that fell on the stove
Didn't cook
and
it,
cooked it, dried it out, browned a little bit.
Did you ever see that movie? I think it was called Kellogg. Do your halo trick, Ron.
This one's not at home, stay away from it.
Even better. It likes my ladder.
All that racket in there.
Oh.
Something sounds
Like a booster. Voltage? Yeah, there. Isn't it straight now? Oh, yeah. Yeah, they have to exercise every day.
I know it. Turn left. Oh, never mind.
Where'd it go?
Turn left a little bit more.
The doctor forgot which one he was working on.
My wife went and
That's cool. Yes, sir. Get him. Control line without turning around. Right behind you. You get dizzy. Oh dear. Yeah, we're against the wall. PSA's prostate.
For every 1,000 guys that we screen, we save one life.
Well, that was quick.
Gary wants the video of this thing. Here we go, here we go. Scene 2. Act 1, Scene 2. Rick flying the Foresight. Ooh, an inverted. And an inverted outside. More inverted. And a inverted into the wall.
Inverted landing.
You see how it went right down the red line?
Oh yeah, perfect.
Yeah,
Way to go, Rick.
he's gonna do it again, folks.
Yeah, put a little thing up so to
Oh, there it is, there it is.
call it an
And a
antenna.
Hoover.
The Hoover maneuver.
The Hoover maneuver. Is he gonna Hoover it?
Rick's trying to get me to fall down. Whew. Now you know why I don't fly U-Control.
Oh,
Did your servo mount come loose?
there it slid.
These are your gears on strip? Tail gears?
Oh, nice. Whoa!